type of redox reaction. Number 2, it is decomposition reaction. When one molecule is decomposed to two or more, right? Or one compound is breakdown to two or more components. They may be react element or sometime compound also. So it is called decomposition reaction. Once again, the thing is to learn how it is oxidized or reduced. So let's consider one example of H2O, water. It is in liquid form at room temperature. When we give heat to it, it will be decomposed to hydrogen gas as well as oxygen gas. This is not balanced, so we should put here 2 and 2. This is balanced now. So let's check what is the oxidation number. Usual oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and hydrogen is friends +1. But by considering rules, the alone element have 0 oxidation number. Nothing is mentioned on right hand side of the element. Okay, so these two elements have oxidation number 0. Now let's check what happened here. Here, as you can see, friends, this is hydrogen from 0, sorry, from +1 to 0, right? So this is one reaction in which hydrogen is reduced. Hydrogen is reduced and it is oxidizing agent. It is reduced from +1 to 0. Reduction. Oxidation number decreased. Okay. And the same thing, friends, for oxygen, if we think, in that case, oxygen is -2 to 0. So this is, we can say, oxidation number increased. It is called oxidation. So oxygen is oxidized and it is called reducing agent, right? So this is all about the reaction of decomposition. You can see one compound is here, two products we are obtaining here, and that's why it is called the decomposition reaction. Now one more important reaction, it is very well known reaction, friends, KClO3. It is potassium chlorate. This is very important reaction. When it is decomposed, we will obtain potassium chloride and, friends, oxygen gas. This is 2, this is 2, and this is 3. This reaction is important for the production of oxygen gas. Now let's check what are the changes taking place here. As you learned, friends, potassium is always +1. It never change. It is alkali metal. Oxygen here you can see, friends, is -2 in normal condition. Right, friends? So what is about chlorine? So chlorine के लिए one important thing here is, please look at here. Normally chlorine is -1, friends, but in this case it is not. What happens here? So K plus Cl plus 3 oxygen is equal to 0. This is for KClO3. Potassium +1, Cl is to be found, oxygen is -2. So friends, Cl is +5 here. -6, go to right side, +6, -1. So this is +5. This is the most important term here. Once again, potassium +1, chlorine is -1 in normal condition, and oxygen is alone. That's why it is 0. So very simple, chlorine +5 to -1. Right? So oxidation number decreased. oxidation number decrease, it is called, friends, reduction, and it is oxidizing agent. One more element, oxygen -2 to 0. So you can see, friends, -2 to 0. Oxidation number increased. So it is called oxidation and it is reducing agent. This is potassium chlorate, potassium chloride and oxygen gas are obtained. I repeat, this is the +5 oxidation number of chlorine. Chlorine is less electronegative than oxygen. In normal condition, chlorine has oxidation number -1. But friends, when it is with oxygen, oxygen will be -2 and chlorine will be positive. This is exception like case. But as oxygen is second highest electronegative element of the periodic table, chlorine is after it, and that's why chlorine is electropositive compared to oxygen, and that's why chlorine is positive here. One last example let's consider of metal hydride. This is sodium hydride decomposed to sodium and hydrogen gas. This is very simple decomposition reaction, friends. Sodium hydride, sodium is always +1. Sodium alkali metal never change their oxidation number. It is always +1. Hydrogen here is -1. Sodium alone 0. Hydrogen alone 0. So the oxidation number of sodium from +1 to 0, it is reduced and it is oxidizing agent, as well as hydrogen here -1 to 0. You can see it is oxidized, it is reducing agent. If you think about the oxidation number is decreased here. So you can write oxidation number decreased, and here you can say -1 to 0, its oxidation number increased. So this is called the decomposition reaction. Three examples are here, friends. One is water, very well known, very common. Second is, friends, metal hydride. Metal hydride is also simplest, but this is the most important example of decomposition of potassium chlorate.